Hi, my name's Nick, and I'm with AirMarkr. Today, I'm going to show you one of the tests we developed to test the motion tracking capabilities of our app, AirDraw. So, we don't have a fancy robotic arm, not yet, hopefully we'll someday, that we'll be able to use to test how well our app tracks itself in all sorts of 3D positional spaces. So, we've really had to take a DIY approach. So, what I'm doing here to test the ability of our app to track itself along the X-axis is I've really just taped the phone while it's running our app to this door here. I'm just going to open it up back and forth like this a couple different times. And then later on, we'll go back and take a look at how well our app was able to track itself while it was moving along the X-axis. The point of the test was to see how well our app tracked its position while the phone was moving along a changing X-axis. By taping the phone while it's running the app to our sliding door and opening and closing the door along its track, we're able to see how the app can track its X-axis position. In this test, we're only tracking the X-axis because the Y-axis is kept constant. By taping the phone to the sliding door, we ensure that the Y-axis is kept at a constant, so that we get a pure X-axis reading. We get a dead straight line in the output. One of the things you'll need to watch out for if you're doing a test like this is to make sure that you open and close the door at the same length each time. For our test, I just open and close the door as far as it would go, which makes it easy to repeat. You could also use tape to mark the point at which you need to open the door to. If in the process of repetition the lines start to get longer, you may have a problem with data drift. From there, you would troubleshoot what is causing the data drift and then work to correct it. Thanks for watching, and be sure to follow us on Twitter. Many thanks again to Seb Madgwick of XIO Technologies for his help and inspiration with some of these tests. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.